1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The half of that? Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna be playing this game. A couple months old. I've been seeing it on YouTube. Pressing under pressure. Oh, do not press. So it's given like little tasks, and if you get it wrong, then you die.
Homer drops his donut. Homer spills his soda. Homer ruins his whole day.
Something happened to you. Remember this number, 59. All right, got you. 2 presses remaining. Got you. Always press when you see a rat. Okay. Once per corner. Like the corner of the screen? Okay. I think. Oh, I'm good. Do not. No, but there's a. Hold up. It said press when there's a rat, so press less than 2 times. So 1. Press when cats are even. Alright, I don't even know what that means. Quickly, don't press. Okay. Once per corner. Star. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Yes! Press when cat. Oh yeah. This is it. And it's not even. It's 3. It's a 3. Okay, that makes sense now. Press more than 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bro, this is easy, bro. I'm flying through this. This is easy, bro. Never press when you see a spider. Yes, sir. Press if you're human. I mean, my skin color is white. I'm a human. Press if you like jump scares. I do not. I don't like jump scares. What time is it? It's... What? It's 11 o'clock, so that means... Right? What? Bro! I just got drowned to death. It's 11 It's 11, though. I'm not pressing. Okay, press. Press again. Gotcha. 44. Remember this number. Alright. No problem. That's something that I can do. Quickly, don't press. Okay, I'm not gonna press. You said it. You said don't press, so I'm not gonna do it. Always press when you see a rat. No problem. Rats are my favorite. This game is gonna like fucking mess up my brain and make me start to like rats. Become one with the rats. There's a rat, so press once for each word in the sentence. 1, 2, 3. Alright, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 words, 8 presses. If it's not, I'm going to poop on the floor and cry. What? Oh my god, bro. I thought I pressed 8 times. Do not press. I won't press. Press. Same as last. Press. No problem. I'll do what you say. 65. Remember this number. 65, 65, 65. Alright, I don't remember this number. 1, 2. Always press when you see a rat. Same rules as before. Press once per corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do not press, but there's a rat, so I press it. I have to do what the button says. Press less than 2 times, so I'm not gonna press it. Right? 0 is less. Hey, that just proves that you can use your big brain. Would you kindly not press? Yeah, yes, sir. All right, Frank Fontaine. Press once per corner. There's no corners. It's a circle. It's a 0 corner. All right, it's even. So I press it. 6 sixes did you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I swear, if I get this wrong again, taking my pants off, shitting on the floor, and then I'm gonna start crying. All right, good. Press if you're a human. I'm a human. You know, I feel like a human. You know, yeah. Press if you like jump scares. I don't like. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna press it. I'm gonna press it. All right. Just for experimenting, I'm gonna press it. What time is it? It didn't work last time, so do I have to put it on the happy face? You know, because I guess it makes sense because all like the skulls. I thought I had to like put in like the exact time. Press once per cat earlier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my gosh, I almost ran out of time. Quickly, don't press. I won't press. I almost actually did press. I had to like muscle. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Are we serious? 1, 2, 3, 4. This game just fucking jump scared me. Oh, there was a photo of a cat. The next statement is a lie. I can't even focus. The next statement is a lie. The next command is wrong. Okay, so that means that it's right. Do press. So I do press. Yeah, right. Oh my gosh, who's calling me? Dude, that just scared me. Fucking jump scare, and then I get jump scared by my phone. Press and hold. No problem. There's nothing on the screen, right? Press the pay respect. I don't know who I'm paying respect to, but no problem. Press and hold longer for 2 seconds. 1, 2. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Do not press. But there's a rat right there, so I do press. Ah, thank you, rat. Press if you're a robot. I'm not a robot. I'm a human. I don't feel like a robot, you know? Press more than 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7? Right? I think I just accidentally double pressed. I heard like a... What? Damn it. I thought I heard a double press. Press. No problem. Do not press. No problem. Yes, sir. I do what I'm told. Same as last. Don't press. Remember this number, 56. It always gives me the number, and I haven't like been able to use it once. Press and hold. No problem. Always press when you see a rat. Alright. If I see a ratty ratson, if I see Ratatouille, you press it. 1, 2, 3. There's a rat, so you press it. Press once for each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 words, 8 presses. If it's not, I will cry. Like I said. Oh my gosh. I actually thought I was dead. I was like, bro, is this it? Press when cats are even. No problem. Quickly, don't press. Okay. Okay. I don't know why you're so alarming. Just be like, 3, 4. Cats aren't even. It's a 5. It's a 5. So you don't press it. You don't press the button. Press less than 2 times. 1. This is easy. Never press when you see a spider. You know, does this game got something against spiders? Press if you're a human. I'm a human. You know, skin and bones. Press if you like jump scares. I don't like jump scares. After what you just did to me, I'm not gonna press it. What time is it? Alright, adventure time. It's, you know, you gotta put it on the happy face. Once per cat earlier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those double clicks fuck me up, dude. Oh, thank God. 1 plus 2 plus 3, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Yeah. Would you kindly not press? Alright. A man chooses, a slave obeys, and I'm a slave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, you press it. Next statement is a lie. Okay. I'm gonna believe you. Next man is wrong. I was told that it's a lie, so it's right. Do press. Okay, so it's like the same every time. Oh, don't. There's a spider, so you don't press it. You do not press that button. Press twice, no problem. Press to pay respect. Yep, I will press to pay respect to our soldiers at war. Press and hold until you see a spider. No problem. I'm not gonna. Yep, there's no spider. There's no spider. He's trying to get me, dude. At this game, It's trying to trick you. Oh, there's a spider. Okay, good. Press once per corner. It's a circle, so there's no corners. Gotta use our big brains, boys. Big brain. Do not press. But there's a rat, so yeah, there we go. Press if you're a robot. I'm a human. I don't think I'm a robot, so I'm not gonna press it. Press more than 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it counts as 2. Press? Yeah, press. Okay. What? Oh my god. Dude, this is it. This is it. Dude, I'm not gonna... Oh my gosh. Alright, this is it. This is it. This is it. Oh my god. No! Oh, close enough. Oh. Alright, they gave me... They went easy on me. Press and hold longer than 2 seconds. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press after halftime. Okay. So I'm guessing... What, like at the half of that? Yeah. What? Right? Okay. What the hell was that? What? Oh no! Wait! Oh, it was a spider! Fuck! Do not press. Okay. I'm not pressing. Dang it, bro. We last so long that time. Press. We just like seeing like new things. Same as last. Press. No problem. Remember this number. 40. Gotcha. 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Press. Always press when you see a rat. No problem. Rats are my favorite. Come on with Master Shredder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. Do not press. There's a rat, so I'm pressing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Press when cats are even. No problem. Press twice. Press. There's no corners, so don't press it. The cats are even, so you press it. Press less than 2 times. So, how about this? I'm not gonna press it. I don't feel like pressing it. Never press when you see a spider. All right. I should have remembered that last time, but I sadly didn't. Press if you're a human. You know what? I don't feel like a human today, so I'm not gonna press it. Press if you like jump scares. I don't like jump scares, especially after what you did to me. I don't like them. What time is it? It's muffin time. You gotta put on like the little face. It's fun time. Press once per cat earlier. There was 4, 2, 3, 4, right? 4. Press and hold. No problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This game. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 corners, so you press it 4 times. If it's not, I'm going back to school. Next statement is a lie. Let me guess, the next command is wrong? Right. Okay. And then I do press, right? Yep, it's the same thing every time. Okay. There's a spider. I'm not pressing. I'm not pressing it. Press and hold longer than 2 seconds. 1, 2. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Do not press. But there's a rat there, so you do press. Thank you, Master Splinter. Press if you're a robot. You know, I feel like a robot, so I'm gonna press it. You know, I feel like I'm filled with 1s and 0s. Press once for each word in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We didn't get this one for like a little bit, I think. Press. Yeah. Okay. Oh. I can't do it. Come on. Alright, thanks. It gives you a pass if you at least try. Would you kindly not press? No problem. Press and hold until you see a spider. Okay. Well, I'm not supposed to press if there is a spider though, but I guess I don't see one. Trying to get me, see? It's trying to trick me. There we go. I press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Easy. Easy. Come on. Go. Go. Jesus. Forever. Press after halftime. It's gonna do this spider thing again, isn't it? Yeah. Oh my god. Jesus. So you don't press it now. You saw a spider, so you don't press it. Let's go. What happened? I just lost. I actually made it past the part that I lost at, and then it just closes out because my stupid mouse. I didn't even know that I could do that. Like, why is that button there? All right, whatever. We're gonna do it one more time. Press. Do one more match. Try to make it past it. All right. One, two, three, four, five. Ah. Press after halftime, and it's gonna show the spider. I made it. I made it to this part last time, and I do not press the mouse. Hi, Mr. Spider. Hi. What? How am I supposed to do this? Fuck that. I'm not pressing it. No, fuck you. It keeps on changing. What, are you gonna kill me? Oh, you're an asshole. Are we serious? Oh, great. Now I'm sleeping with the fishes. Well, I'm gonna end it off here. This game is a son of a bitch. But it's fun. It's like a fun little flash game. I guess you just play, I don't know, I guess for high scores, but there's not really like a thing for high scores, so I don't really get like what the whole point is. Maybe there's an ending. I don't know. Don't know, don't care. I'm gonna end it off here. This game was pretty fun. Like I said, it came out a couple months ago. I saw like videos, and I thought it was like a good idea for just like a quick video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I did. And I'll see you in the next one. Toodles.